Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and this, in my opinion, is the best looking Galaxy Watch that you can get. They've kind of gone away from the Classic and then brought it back a couple times now, and this is always my go-to watch. I had a Galaxy Watch Ultra when it first came out, and this kind of shares the same design language on the sides right here, but it adds your rotating bezel on top of that. The screen is a little bit smaller than something like the Ultra, but it's a great size for me. I don't have very big wrist, so this is still a perfect fit. I love the watch faces that are kind of default on this. You can really make it look nice and, like a nice fashionable watch. It doesn't have that smartwatch look unless you have something like this on there for the watch face. I'm using the Athleisure band. This is a Samsung band. It also comes with the leather one, but I like this band. It's a little more comfortable for extended wear. And I also use mine for sleep tracking, so I'll charge it in the afternoon. Right before I go to bed, in like an hour and a half, I'll put it on the charger, and then I'll sleep with it, and it will get me through the rest of the day just fine. So you can see here, rotating the bezel from the home screen, kind of just rotates you through your notifications and your cards that you have. So you can see here I have my sleep and my antioxidant level, which I need to work on. That is a feature of the Galaxy Watch 8 series. And then I just have my device batteries right here. So we have the watch and my phone. And you can see after all night and all day today, it is currently 6:30, 6:24 technically, but 6:30 in the afternoon, in the evening, and we're still at 65%. So if I really wanted to, I could probably sleep with this watch again and have plenty of battery to get through the next day. So definitely a 2-day kind of watch in terms of battery life in my use case. And then we just have your notifications and stuff like that if you swipe the other direction. And then, of course, everything else is just like the regular Galaxy Watch series. You just have that physical rotating bezel right there to get through your navigation. Now, this one is the LTE one that I picked up from Best Buy, and it was supposed to come with 2 years of LTE service via Google Fi, which was a Best Buy offer. I have not been able to get that activated. I have been having a nightmare with the Google Fi support. On the Best Buy page, on the terms, it says that a Google Fi plan is not required. It's supposed to just show up in the phone, on the Wear app. When you go to activate the cellular, I'll go in here. When you go down here to the mobile plans and you tap right here, it's supposed to come up with the offer all by itself, totally independent of your current carrier or anything else you may have. But it's not coming up for mine. And I reached out to Google Fi support multiple times, which is the link that it gives me for support for activation. And they have no clue what I'm talking about. They have no clue what this offer is. They just try to tell me, oh, you don't have a Fi plan. Oh, you need to sign up and activate a plan. Oh, this, that, and the other thing. Even after I've emailed them multiple times a screenshot of the terms and conditions where it says a Fi plan is not required. That's really no fault of the watch. That is an offer between Best Buy and Google Fi, who Best Buy partnered with for that offer. But if you're looking at that offer, it's not really working right now, for me at least. And somebody else actually just commented on my video saying they're having the same issue, and they're not getting anywhere with support either. So Best Buy partnered with Google for that offer, and Google has zero clue. At least their support reps have zero clue what the promo is or how to activate it if there's an issue. So keep that in mind. I'm going to put a link down in the description or the YouTube shopping thing where you can pick this up directly from Samsung. Probably a little bit better there in terms of support and everything. But very, very nice watch. I really do enjoy it. I think it looks really good. It's my favorite design out of all of them, even Apple Watch. This is my favorite watch design for a smartwatch, and it's very comfortable, especially with this athleisure band, which I will also link if anybody's interested in picking one of those up. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.